In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share games in Steam with friends. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Steam on your computer. The first thing you need to do is turn on Steam Guard, which is Steam's built-in two-factor authentication. This security step is mandatory before sharing your library. Open Steam, go to Settings, select Account, and enable Steam Guard through either email verification or the mobile authenticator. Pick whichever method you'll reliably have access to, because you'll need it for sign-ins on new devices. This protects your library and is required for family sharing to work. Next, you'll authorize the device and the accounts that can use your library. On the computer where you want to share, log into the account that owns the games. Go to Settings, then Family, and check the box labeled Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. You'll see a list of Steam accounts that have signed in on this device. Select the accounts you want to share with by checking the boxes next to their names, then click OK. If an account doesn't appear, have that person sign into Steam on the same computer once, then come back to this Family section and authorize them. Remember, this authorization is tied to the device, so you're allowing your library to be used on this specific machine by the accounts you choose. Now switch to the recipient's account on the authorized device. When they open the library, they'll see a category indicating which titles are shared. They can browse, install, and launch eligible games just like their own. Keep in mind, library access is limited by active use. If the owner starts playing any game from their library, shared access becomes unavailable while they're in-game. That means only one person can play from that library at a time, even if it's a different title. A quick tip here is to coordinate playtimes so you're not trying to use the same library simultaneously. There are a few important limitations to understand. Sharing allows up to 5 accounts and up to 10 devices at a time, so plan who gets access and where. Some games may not be shareable due to technical restrictions, third-party DRM, or subscription elements. Content like certain DLC, in-game items, or region-restricted titles may also be limited for shared users. If a game doesn't appear under the shared section, it's likely excluded by the publisher's settings. Finally, remember that the owner is always in control of the library and can change device or account authorizations at any time from the family settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.